Hi viewers, in this video let's see how Oneplus has launched its 8 series phone across the world even in the middle of lockdowns. Also let's see what strategy they used in order to do this. And before going to this video, I request you to subscribe to 5 Minutes Learning channel and please press the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's move to the case study. Before this coronavirus situation, India is one of the fastest growing smartphone market in the world. Even during this time of lockdown, OnePlus has taken this current situation as an opportunity for its brand to think out of the box and to keep its community engaged using its brand activities. So before going to the launch details, first let us see some of the marketing strategies which are used by OnePlus to create a community of engaged loyal customers. First strategy includes influencer approach. OnePlus has created a network of 117 influencers in one day for the launch of OnePlus 6. These influencers include Suresh Raina, Mauni Roy, BU Nick, and Anita Hasanandini, who gave a pose with latest smartphones and they created a big buzz in the market. Next strategy of OnePlus is building community. OnePlus has always followed up with their community through constant activities like movie screening, showing them that they care for them, etc. So the brand also organizes OnePlus pop-ups, which gives the opportunity for its community members to interact and to share their opinions. Next is walk the talk approach. Even the best campaigns can see failure when they don't deliver the promise. OnePlus in that case, they walk the talk by offering quality smartphones and keep up their promises. So they win their consumers. Now let's see how they made this global launch of OnePlus 8 series, that too in the middle of lockdown. They faced lots of challenges to make this event a successful. Like it is launched across the world through digital only launch event. Challenge here is to bringing together the community members of OnePlus across the world to witness the launch event. In order to make this happen, around 2000 people of OnePlus has spread across the world and worked hard for it in order to make this event a seamless event. Moreover, due to the pandemic situation, already the launch date was postponed 3 times. So this time they decided to make it happen at any cost. Now let's see what strategy they followed to create the hype around the launch event. The main strength of OnePlus is their community of loyal customers. So they took the advantage of this. They made community engagement through offline activities and events. They made use of their own OnePlus channels like OnePlus Forum and Red Cable Club, as well as their social media page to create the buzz around the launch event. They also engage their community members through Hypertaskers campaign, where they demonstrated the technology of the new OnePlus 8 series for their members. After launch, they have also planned for digital initiative where the community members will be able to virtually unbox the phones using the Instagram customized AR filters. This innovative campaign gave them a huge positive community response of 98 million impressions online. They also ran a contest for most creative unboxing ideas for their members, for which they had received 1000 entries within 2 weeks of time. Let's see what are the post-launch agenda which are planned by OnePlus. The main priority of OnePlus had always been to connect closely with its community members. So they constantly finding lots of ways to provide meaningful content and unique experience for their users. For example, OnePlus recently launched OnePlus Domain 8. It's a unique PUBG mobile tournament for their community members. And for their RCC community members, they introduced Summer of OnePlus, which allows them access to special activities and first-hand access to sales announcements, etc. OnePlus also planned for a special campaign like hashtag indoor shoot on OnePlus as a post-launch activity. OnePlus always focuses on world-class user experience through both online and offline stores. So both are important to them irrespective of the current situation of COVID-19. So they still want to focus more on expanding their retail presence in order to create more touch points for its users to physically engage with the brand so that they understand the product better. Even though initially there was slowdown in smartphone manufacturing in India because of lockdown, there is an expectation soon it will revive as the government has given relaxation for manufacturing sector. So customer demand for smartphone in India market might be slow but will not be halted. OnePlus 8 series will be available in Indian market from beginning of this month itself. It will be available in India across all the channels. Thank you viewers for watching this video. We'll see you soon with another case study file, and please subscribe this channel 5 minutes learning so that you don't miss any of my videos.